Leave my thoughts on the table, set my keys by the door. All these fortunate fables, I don't think they need us no more. In my head like a blitzkrieg, on my heart like a war. Coming back for your heart now, 'cause this one ain't mine anymore. Will you wait by yourself, dressed like an angel in white unaware? Can you be like a drone, straight from a song that I've known all along? Can you take the islands, just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms, tearing up roses as daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want.
By the end of this ceremony, you will have felt something in you change. I promise you. Standing across from each other and looking into each other's eyes, something is already beginning to change inside of you. Today, as you hear each other's promises and become officially married, in that moment, there's a miracle that happens, and you'll actually feel it.
Build it up like a fortress, wave the flag when I come home to you.
This marriage today is more than the union of a bride and groom. This is the union of a family. And today, Justin and Jamie, along with their children, are united together by the promises made here today to love, honor, and cherish all that they are.
Can you take the islands, just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms, tearing up roses and daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want.
It is my joyful responsibility to officially acknowledge your union as husband and wife.
Can't leave it unsaid now with you right in front of me. Will you wait by yourself? 'Cause I want you and nobody else. And you'll be.
Ever since Jamie and Justin met each other, Justin, you brought the sparkle back into her eyes. It's awesome to see you guys together and your families together, and what an amazing family you guys make.
Into your arms, I'm just pulling up roses as daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want.
Life's a series of moments, and it's how we react to those moments that create our perceptions. And no matter what you've been dealt in life, you've always just found a way to maintain those perspectives, your humor, and your heart. You were speaking about Dad. You said something that I always remember. You said he was my hero. Here today, I now know what that means, because you are my hero. The fact that the two of you are together, all that love and gratitude extends to you too. I could tell right away you were going to be the one. You have kindness in your eyes, and I appreciate you being part of this family.
Our feet were fashioned around.